Before turning on the Kindle, let's familiarize ourselves with the physical features on the Kindle. This is the charging port. This is the power button. Press and hold the power button to turn on the Kindle. The Kindle will automatically open to your Kindle library, but to download more books, let's connect the Kindle to Wi-Fi. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. In Settings, tap Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then tap Wi-Fi Networks and select the Wi-Fi network that you want to connect the Kindle to. Use the keyboard at the bottom of the screen to type in your Wi-Fi password and press Connect. A checkmark will display next to the name of the Wi-Fi network once the Kindle has been connected. Tap the back arrow to exit the Wi-Fi Networks menu. Tap the back arrow again to exit the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth menu. Then tap the X in the top right corner to exit the Settings menu. Now that our Kindle is connected to Wi-Fi, let's download some books. Type a book title in the search bar at the top of the screen to search a book on the Kindle store. Then select the book from the search options. Select the correct book cover from the populated search options. I have a monthly Kindle Unlimited subscription, so I try to find books that say Kindle Unlimited. Once the book has opened in the Kindle store, tap Download. This will send the book to your Kindle library. Since I am using my Kindle Unlimited subscription to download this book, I am only renting this book and will not be purchasing it outright from the Kindle store. The book will automatically download to your Kindle library. Tap the book cover in your Kindle library to download the book, and then tap it again to open the book. To enhance our reading experience, let's customize our book settings. Tap the top of the screen to open the book settings menu and then tap the letters icon. In the Themes tab, select a theme that suits your reading style. Let's try the large theme in this example. Tap outside of the screen to check and see if you enjoy this reading style. This reading style doesn't suit my reading preferences, so I will go back into the Themes menu and change it back to the standard settings. Tap outside of the Themes menu to check and make sure that this is the theme that you enjoy reading. Then tap the top of the screen and tap the letters icon again. Let's try to change the font style, boldness, and size. Tap the Font tab and then tap Font Family to change the font of the book. In this example, we will select the Amazon Ember font and tap the back button, and then tap outside of the menu to test and see if this font suits our reading style. I like this font, but let's see if we can adjust any other settings to enhance our reading experience. Navigate back to the font menu and next to bold, use the plus and minus signs to increase the boldness or decrease the boldness. This is too bold for me, so I will go back into the font menu and decrease the boldness back to its original settings. Once we have the boldness back to its original settings, let's test the font size and see if we can enhance our reading experience. Next to size, use the plus and minus signs to increase or decrease the size of the font. This font is too large for me, so I will go back into the font menu and decrease the size back to its original settings. Once you have selected all of the font options for your reading needs, tap the Layout tab and adjust the Kindle book layout to suit your needs. You can change the orientation, margins, alignment, and spacing in this menu. In this example, we made the margins smaller, but I don't prefer this reading experience, so I will navigate back to the Layout menu and adjust it back to the original book settings. I want to make sure that this is the layout that I prefer, so I will exit out of the menu. Once you have chosen a layout that suits your needs, tap the top of the screen and then tap the three lines icon at the top. This will pull up the sections and chapters of the book. To expand a section, press the arrow and it will drop down into the additional sections in that chapter. Scroll down to view all chapters and sections in the book. To jump to a specific chapter, tap the chapter and the Kindle will automatically jump to that page. From here, you can select Stay Here or Go Back. In this example, we will go back to the main page. Tap the top of the screen again and then tap the Table of Contents icon again. Select a chapter that you want to jump to again, but this time select Stay Here. Your reading progress will automatically update and you will stay on that page. To highlight a phrase on a single page, press and hold the screen until it starts to underline and drag until the end of the phrase. Once it has been highlighted, tap outside of the highlight to save the highlight. To delete a highlight, tap the highlight and select Delete from the pop-up menu. This will remove the highlight from the book. To highlight a phrase on multiple pages, press and hold the screen until it starts to underline and continue to hold until the next page appears. Once the phrase has been highlighted, tap outside of the highlight to save the highlight to the Kindle. We will repeat the process of deleting the highlight and it will delete the highlight from both pages on the Kindle. To annotate a phrase, highlight the phrase and tap Note from the pop-up menu. From the pop-up screen, type in your note and then press Save. The highlight and annotation will automatically save to your Kindle library, but in this example, we will delete it since I don't think it is important to my reading experience. To turn off the Kindle, press and hold the power button until the LED turns on and off. I have an ad-free Kindle, so when the Kindle is in sleep mode, the book cover will display in its place. Although the Kindle Paperwhite is a small device, it contains many features to help enhance your reading experience. To learn about more features on a Kindle Paperwhite, refer to the Amazon website.